Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the clip ready and opening CapCut. Import your 9:16 video and trim it to the exact duration you want for the reel. Once done, make sure the clip is selected on the timeline so your edits apply directly. You don't need fancy assets, just a clean source file. Next, confirm the project resolution is 1080 by 1920 so the rounded edges look sharp. This setup prevents cropping later and keeps your visual composition centered. Now apply the rounded edge mask. With the clip selected, tap Mask and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Adjust the radius slider until the corners read visually smooth. Larger values give pill edges, smaller values are subtle. Make sure to reposition and scale the clip so important content isn't cut off by the curve. Once adjusted, preview at full screen and play the segment to check motion near the corners. Make minor tweaks until the framing feels natural and nothing crucial is lost. Finish by exporting at 1080 by 1920 with a high bitrate to retain crisp edges. Once exported, upload that file to Instagram Reels and choose your cover. Make sure the cover matches the rounded style if needed. If Instagram appears to crop or add UI overlays, reopen the project and add safe margins so curves aren't obscured. If colors shift, export with a slightly higher brightness. This last check ensures the rounded edge effect displays consistently across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.